Hello, students. Today, we correct common mistakes in English. Listen carefully, repeat clearly. Let's begin. Mistake number 1. He don't like pizza. Correct sentence, he doesn't like pizza. Repeat. He doesn't like pizza. He doesn't like pizza. He doesn't like pizza. Remember, with he, she, and it, we use doesn't, not don't. Say it again. He doesn't. She doesn't. It doesn't. Full sentence. He doesn't like pizza. Mistake number 2. I am agree with you. Correct sentence. I agree with you. Repeat. I agree with you. I agree with you. I agree with you. Remember, agree is a verb. Do not use am before a main verb. Say it again. I agree. We agree. They agree. Mistake number 3. She have a car. Correct sentence. She has a car. Repeat. She has a car. She has a car. She has a car. Remember, with he, she, and it, have becomes has. Repeat. He has, she has, it has. Full sentence again. She has a car. Mistake number 4. I didn't went to school. Correct sentence. I didn't go to school. Repeat. I didn't go to school. I didn't go to school. I didn't go to school. Remember, after did or didn't, use the base form of the verb. Repeat. Did go. Didn't go. Didn't finish. Didn't call. Mistake number 5. This is more better. Correct sentence. This is better. Repeat. This is better. This is better. This is better. Remember, do not use more with words like better, worse, or easier. Say it again. Good, better, best. Mistake number 6. People is happy. Correct sentence. People are happy. Repeat. People are happy. People are happy. People are happy. Remember, people is plural. Plural subjects use are. Repeat. People are. People are. Excellent work.